Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. Everyday KaShay here. If you're new, typically we talk plus size style, really plus size comfort and functional style for the everyday plus size woman. So if you're into that, go ahead and tap on the subscribe button. As y'all can see, I am chilling. I'm actually at my mom's house. I probably about once a week or so we make dinner. I feel like, let me put y'all on something. Let me put y'all on this spaghetti box because, child, we use anything. We use anything as a tripod these days. Ooh, I feel like I need even more. Now we are talking. So I'm at my mom's house. I am making us dinner. So she's gonna have regular boiled noodles with her spaghetti, but hold on, this is my line sister calling me, y'all. Let's see what she talking about. Hey sis.
Yep.
What you up to? How you gonna call me and put me on mute?
Girl, I thought I just locked myself out the house. I was gonna be so mad.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
What you doing? You outside riding the bike or something?
No, about to sit in the garage trying to soak up a little bit of,
Say hey to the vloggy vlog. Hold on, let me looking like you look. Say hey to the vloggy vlog.
No, you lie.
Go ahead and say what up to them folks.
What up?
I got to turn you back sideways because you on the windowsill. All right, y'all, so that was my line sister, and actually we are probably going to be talking to her. I know I look bulgy, but that's because I have on my little workout attire. Barb and I just went on a workout. Your girl is, she losing my booty first, but you know, we getting chesting back together too. It's all good. But my line sister and I are going to be chatting a little later because I have a couple of events and things that are coming up that I need to be like getting stuff ready for. So the first thing is my friend's birthday dinner. So I have a friend from high school who's having a birthday dinner in a couple weeks, and I need to figure out like what I want to look like. I know that sounds crazy, but there's some asks or suggestions for our attire. Somebody text me, so I'm gonna see what that's about. And then also, so my line sister that y'all just saw, Vic, her birthday's coming up, and we were supposed to be celebrating last year for some outfits and stuff that we planned for a big group trip, but we moved it. So now all of the outfits that I was supposed to wear, some of those outfits you actually saw on Instagram. So I need to now plan what I'm gonna wear, and that's closer to the end of April. So I just need to be ready. And then lastly and finally, I'm styling a few folks, dressing a bride for her big day also, but I have a little bit more work to do on those. So we got a lot going on, and I know this is a really long rant, so I apologize, or like a long introduction, but this is why I started this vlog. I have some stuff I need to do around the house to get my shooting space together, because as y'all saw in the last, or in maybe 2 vlogs ago, if you haven't watched it, catch up. But my shooting space is kind of like a catty corner of 2 walls. One is a green grass backdrop, the other one is a paper backdrop, and so I obviously want to make a live set for one of those walls, and then the other one to be kind of techie and, you know, cool, and like Philips Hue blue lights and stuff like that. So lots to do, but it all starts with me making dinner. So tonight, I actually have a video uploading right now on YouTube, but tonight I'm making a turkey spaghetti for me with turkey Italian sausage, zucchini, and squash. For my mom, she's gonna have a traditional beef meat sauce, which I actually already made and she froze because there was just too much last time. So all I have to do is boil her noodles and she'll be done. We're probably gonna have a little spring mix side salad with a little raspberry vinaigrette, pecans, and, you know, vegetable. So that should be cool. I'm looking forward to dinner. So, gonna spend some time doing this. I'll let y'all check this out, and then we are going to start shopping. I need to window shop as well. Ooh, got to do some shopping because for spring, I want to show y'all some stuff that we're checking out. So yeah, hang in here, sis. It's gonna be a fun ride. Okay, y'all, so this is the meat sauce that I have here, and there is a side salad with raspberry vinaigrette. It's got some almonds in it, as well as some tomatoes and just salad toppings. And then there are our noodles. My mom has her own meat sauce because she used beef products, but I used all turkey. There is pasta, and then my zoodles, zucchini and squash noodles. Sorry if the audio is trash. I cannot find my hot shoe cold foot, the little thing that sits on top of the thing, on top of my camera to connect my microphone. So I'm not gonna use separate audio, and it's a vlog. So I hope y'all don't mind. Y'all can probably hear everything. I have my sliding door open, but I'm actually about to close all that anyway because I'm about to leave. I want some breakfast or brunch, and it is $1.50. So I need to order my food because I've just been craving some French toast this morning. Don't tell my trainer. And yeah, y'all, sorry. Hi, why did I pick up the camera for y'all to watch me text? Thank you for your patience. Okay, let's call Briggs because I want some French toast, and I need to get something to eat. They close at 2:30 and it's $1.50. What we doing? I hope it's still good. Then I'm coming back to finish editing and uploading this video. Right now I'm watching Jemima, but yeah, I'm editing a video. It's my like how I style Jordans, but it's really me styling my Volt Golds. So all right, so I'm gonna order my breakfast and then come back, finish this, get this video up. Then I need to shower because I'm crusty and dusty. That's oil, by the way. But I need to shower and prepare to go out kind of for like a little evening run of errands. I need to pick up my Target order, go record a video for y'all.
How can I help you?
Hi, can I place an order for pickup?
Okay, what's your name?
Shay, S-H-A-Y.
Okay, what can I get for you?
Can I have the French toast combo?
Okay.
And what comes with it? Half an order of French toast. It comes with half an order of French toast and what else?
2 eggs on one side.
Okay, my side option, can I do turkey bake or turkey sausage?
Get the scrambled eggs and turkey sausage?
Yeah, can I have the scrambled eggs with cheese?
Okay.
That'll be it.
All right. What kind of car are you driving?
It's a black Honda Civic.
Okay. Get me ready in about 15 to 20 minutes, okay?
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye. Okay, good, because that's gonna take like, it's not too far from me, so I'm gonna actually finish working on this real quick, and well, not finish, but I'm gonna keep working on this. This video is a mess because I actually shot the video right here. My setup that night, I was just shooting literally content like all day, and the rest of my whole living space was just entirely covered and filled with clothing and other stuff, so I really didn't have time to move and groove and make a full-blown setup like I wanted to. So and then obviously my sets back there, I'm still working on those. So yeah, I ended up shooting near my door because I needed to shoot enough so y'all could see my whole outfit. So yeah, that was that. Oh, y'all can see my locks are back, only for a little bit. I'm about to prep a wig because I like my, I like the wig. I want to wear some curly hair or a bob, but I don't think I'm going to be able to put these down and they be flat enough for a bob. So I might have to send that bob back. I have a little while to decide. It's just some hair that I picked up from Amazon. So as I wasn't spending that much money on it, especially because I have plans to get like box braids over my locks in a couple weeks anyway. Long story short, I shot over here. This video is looking a little wonky, therefore, let me see if I can show y'all. Hold on. Okay, so there we go. Perfect. So this is what the video is looking like. If let me scrunch it on in so y'all can see. Okay, sorry y'all, my SD card filled up, but as you can see, like I've had to double up on the clips just so that I could use this kind of like Gaussian effect to like let it So it looks like something essentially.
This outfit just makes me feel really sexy. It makes me feel
so y'all kind of see how that looks. But yeah, I've needed to do that because I had to shoot so that vertically so that y'all could see my entire outfit, which sucks, I know, but I had to do what I had to do. So that's that. And yeah, I'm gonna finish working on that video so it can go live today. Why it's not done? Then I promise I'm gonna come back, make sure this goes live, finish my description box. My thumbnail is gonna be really easy because it's just all outfit looks, which I feel like is popular in the plus size style world, and I'm trying to get connected to that because I really want more of you all to appreciate my content, my plus size style content. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'll be right back. Oh, I need a camera mount because y'all can't ride with me like this. Let me put on my why y'all so close? I am vlogging with my same camera base or body, the SO2, but I have the 1855 kit lens on today. But let's go get this food, goddamn. Sure, crazy. Oh, I'm so tired of looking crazy. But it's okay. I know my audio is probably, oh my god, this vlog is gonna be a mess. But I'm gonna put it up anyway because I'm really about to be everyday KaShay out here. Y'all gonna get this content. I'm not about to be doing a whole bunch of editing like I'm doing on this video. Y'all might get that twice a week the other couple of days, which is likely gonna be 2 to 3 more vlogs. It's gonna be real chill. So hope y'all are ready. Hi.
Shay?
Yep,
Okay.
that's me. How are you?
Lady.
Thank you.
Good. Give me 1 second.
Okay. That was quick. I thought they were gonna like come to my my car like first to collect my stuff, but he came out with the food. Oh my god, it looks so good. Here, I'll show y'all. It looks good. It's just like really basic and classic French toast, but that's what I've been wanting. I've not wanted anything super crazy, or like eggs and turkey links look good too. Just a really classic breakfast. Sometimes you have to know where you need to get things done. Like if I wanted whipped cream or berries and stuff like that. I'm really not even supposed to be having this, but you know, here we are. And there's a place not too far that actually does a triple berry French toast, which is really good, with raspberries, blueberries, and cranberry. No, not cranberry. Raspberries, blueberries. What's the other one? And blackberries, maybe. Raspberries, blueberries. Oh, strawberries. Duh. They do a really good one. But all right. So let me slide on out of here before she does. I don't even know if her car was on. He was super sweet. Per usual, they're really nice. But all right, I should have gone. Should I have gone to the right? I can go out this way. We're gonna go the back way because oh. Uh-oh, where y'all going? Girl, sit still. You might need to put the seatbelt on you. Come on now, what you doing? Oh, because you're reaching back for something. Hold on, I'm vlogging. Are you laughing at me?
Yeah, YouTube and ass.
This is my only job.
Hold on, I got a vlog.
When I took the bite, I had already finished vlogging. I wasn't even trying to be on camera biting. So,
Still working to make
stop talking.